Boys and girls, how are you? Let's continue our science lesson about seeing colored objects. What about seeing colored opaque objects through colored transparent objects? If we look at a red apple, which is opaque, through a red transparent glass sheet, the apple will appear red. Because the red apple is opaque, so it will absorb all 7 colors and reflect its own color, which is red. And the transparent glass sheet have the same color of the apple, so it will allow the red light to pass through. That's why we see it red. What about changing the color of transparent glass sheet? If we change the glass sheet into green color, we will see the apple black, because the apple will reflect its own color, which is red, while the transparent green glass sheet will absorb the red color of the apple and won't transmit any color through. That's why we see the apple black. As we see in this video, if both objects have the same color as red, you will see it red. But if both objects have different colors, so you will see it black. There are 2 types of colored light: primary colored lights and secondary colored lights. The primary colored lights are red, green, and blue. They are colored light which can't be produced by mixing 2 other colored light. So, mixing primary colored light in equal amounts gave us white light. What about the secondary colored light? Secondary colored lights are produced by mixing 2 of the primary colored light, as mixing red and green will produce yellow color. Mixing red and blue produce magenta. Mixing green and blue produce cyan color. As we can see in this video, if we mix the green color or the green light with the red light, it will produce yellow light. And if we mix all the 3 primary colors, it will produce white light. So let's practice together. Give reason. Red light is a primary colored light. Why it is considered as primary color? Because it can't be produced by mixing any of the other colored light. What about the magenta or cyan or yellow? Why it's called secondary colored light? Because we can produce it by mixing 2 of the primary colored lights, which are, if we talked about the magenta, it will be mixing red and blue. Thanks for watching and see you next time with a new lesson.